This is going to be my second practice on wiring a network point. This time I'm going to use an 8-port Cat6 patch panel. It's actually a mini one, so I'm going to make a video about me doing a practicing. Just doing this. So still learning and getting the hang of it. Let's put this away. Just learned something new last week when I did some practice at work. When I do a patch panel and wiring, so just kind of tools. I did about probably 10 centimeters of headspace. Not if it's correct though, but so that goes there. That goes there. The blue, the brown. Okay, blue goes here. So, okay. Just crimp it down. Mind, I'm using this weatherproof cable, so it's thick. So it's like playing hard mode. If I master the thick cable, then the normal cables will be easy to do. I'll be careful though, don't make it loose or else it won't work. That's one. Time for a second one. So that's number 1. 1, 1. Number 2. Oh, I should have showed you just me, well, showed a video of me doing that round thing. Ha, you fly it again. Alright. Someone's thinking, why am I using a weatherproof outdoor cable? So my answer is, I like to challenge myself to a higher level. If I can master the outdoor cable, because it's thick anyway, then using a regular cable is much easier to use, to install. When I bought this cable, actually, to begin with, the plan of having an outdoor cable is meant to be like, is it shortly twisted pair? To make it more stable and more sustained. I didn't realize how strong and hard it is. Let's get this over here. So it's like this. This way. That. Whew. Right. One thing to be careful about, yeah, doing this cabling. The only problem you might come across sometimes is the fact that the edge bit can be loose. So I have to do that whole cut again. Which is a bit of a pain actually. Right, looks good so far. I'll do the cramping last, yeah? Actually, I'll do it first. I'll do it first, actually. I'll do it first. I'll do it first, actually. So I'll do this first. I'll trim the rest from here. Put a punch down tool. Trim the edges carefully. Imagine doing the actual patch panel. It may be more harder doing the actual patch panel. Let's put this in the bin. You won't see the bin tomorrow in this video. Right. Now, this bit. Right. This size. Ah. So I think I got it. Right. I know I'm not talking much on this video. I'm just concentrating whilst I'm doing it. So that's why I don't say much on it. It's just concentrating. When you're out there on a site doing a cabling, it's a lot of concentration to do. Whoa, 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 wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Okay, let's do it carefully. The reason I'm doing a video of this patch panel and this because it's based on my old video like a year ago. I think it's about a few years ago I did it. I'm not sure how much years I've done it. And I did a video of me practicing this wiring the cable. But I'm going to change it to next level from the patch panel, the T-blocks. My favourite part in IT is always a hands-on bit. But unfortunately, they get outsourced easily. Right. So it's just... I'm a bit struggling because this thick of a cable. I like to challenge myself in hard mode when it comes to this. But in a live environment, then we're using this thick cable, then we're using a regular cable. Right, it's not doing it, it's not doing it. Right. Alright, let's get over here, right. That green cable's over here, should be over here. It should be around there. Right, good. Right. Now crimp that. Crimp. Good. It's crimped. Touchdown tool. I should have put more lower. Right, that's one done. I'll take it through here, like that. That's number one. And now, one more to go. Should be 5 to 7 centimeters. That's the right measurement. Don't overcut it though. Maybe don't overcut that, because it might end up, you know, kind of copper. And if you do, you gotta do all that again. Damn. I should make it longer actually, so I'm gonna move this behind the scenes, but yeah. One second one. Right. Right. Oh, let's do it properly. Do I get down? Oh, it's not going in. Oh, I see. It's got to be. It's got to fit through. It's not fitting in. I'm just struggling. Okay, that's better. It looks like it wasn't done, but it's just done. Oh, it's done. Alright, through here. Right, so port wide. So double wide. Double wide. Double wide. So it goes to good. Oh, I didn't show you that me put it in there. Anyway, double wide to port 1, port 2 to port 2. There you go. I can always take it out and put it back in so I can show you. But it's no point anyway. There you go. Let's move the light a bit so you can see the Cat6. Okay, in this video, as you saw my previous one, you saw me practice and I'm actually getting better now, getting a hang of it now. When you see me install a wiring jack, you know, when I did the cabling using a cable cutter and connecting those 8 copper together, as you see in these ports here. See? You saw me did this in my previous videos, so now we're gonna test it if it works. So I have a laptop. So as you see, disconnected. So you see that there, offline. So I turn off the Wi-Fi to make sure that to do a test. So if the patch works, then it's working. If not, then I just gotta do it again. So it's part of the exercise. Normally you use a cable tester or network tester to make sure it works. And yes, I'm using a evaluation version of my inside the builder of my Windows 10. So let's get to it now. Right, I'm gonna plug this in now. First, this connects to the HP switch, which you're not gonna see in the video. So plug it in, so it'll be port 1. This one connects out to the laptop, but you don't see the laptop anyway. So port 1 to port 1. Okay, let's see the results now. Okay, it's connecting okay. Let me try and go to Edge Beta. It's loading up. I'm going to pause the video so you can boot up anyway. Okay, it's loading now. So let me refresh this. Let's type in YouTube. Whoop. be.com. Okay, that works. So the first test worked actually. So let's go over here. So port 1 to patch 1's working. Now we're going to do a test 2 now. So what I'm going to do is plug this out, unpatch number 1, and patch number 2. Same to here. Port 2. I haven't labeled it though, so you notice it. Actually, before let me unpatch it first, just to make sure that is plugged out, disconnected. Right, disconnected. So I'm gonna do a live action plug-in now. So I'm gonna patch this in now. Number 2. Right, number's plugged in now. And let's see now. Oh, okay, just went on quickly before I moved the camera to it. Right, let me just refresh this. Refresh the browser. Back to Google. Alright. So that works. Let me just unblur the vision, that's better. So I proved it works. So I just part my test actually to see if it works. And there you have it. So the first part you see me wiring a Cat6 wiring cable in from the patch panel to the network point. And then part 2 I did the test to my laptop to see if it works. So it proves that it works. Now if it doesn't work, then you have to do the whole wiring again. So this is part of my learning, so I've improved myself on wiring a cat cabling. So yeah, tell me what you think. You know, if I can do it better, or if there's ways of making it easy, let me know. But it's just part of my learning, this is actually, so I'm gonna put it out there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.